Hey, Sarah, Trent, Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department, man. Thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of our all-new Honda Pilots. I have one of my EXL models here in the showroom in the Lunar Silver Metallic. We're Alabama's leading volume dealer, and we're going to have the very best inventory for you to choose from. Not only that, we are home of 15 Honda President's Awards, accolade that no other dealership in the state, only 5 in the country, can tell you have many, because we're going to take care of you before, during, most importantly, after the point of sale. That new Honda Pilot is the hottest midsize SUV on the road right now. As you can see, you're going to get tons of new standard equipment. You're going to have your touchscreen, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have an option for DVD and navigation in here as well. It's top grain leather that's heated. You have seating for 8 that's very comfortable. We also have 7-passenger setups available in the Honda Pilot lineup. And here at Tameron, we're located in the heart of Hoover. It's the middle of August. We've got our clearance incentives going on. We've got a big push to push 19-inch Pilots right now. We're no longer receiving them. So if you're looking for a deal, I know you've already received some pricing through the TrueCar Auto Buying Service. That pricing is on in-stock units, and it's while supplies last. You got to call me right now. 205-504-2358. Love to give you some exact information on the exact vehicle you select. So I'm looking forward to the opportunity of working for you, and I can make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.